Hello students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal, an online math tutor from India. I tutor students of the IB and the IGCSE boards from grades 9 to 12. This is my website www.nsonlinemathtutoring.com. You may visit my website to know about my tutoring services in more detail. Okay, so now let us come back to our session. As you know that we are solving questions on the arithmetic sequences topic, and this is our second session on this topic. So without any further delay, let us straight away start answering the questions. The first question of this session is, a sequence is defined by un is equal to 3n minus 2. We have used this word sequence, not an arithmetic sequence. And since it is a sequence, it should be having a rule. Therefore, the rule is given by un is equal to 3n minus 2. That is, the nth term value is equal to 3 times n minus 2, where n is the term number. And the first subpart asks us to prove that the sequence is arithmetic. So let's start with our answer. Okay, so subpart A. Prove that the sequence is arithmetic, and we know that for any arithmetic sequence, there should be a common difference. But for getting the common difference, for checking whether any common difference exists or not, we should be having the terms of the sequence, but we do not have any term of the sequence. They have given the rule. So from that rule, we have to first of all get few terms of the sequence. We start with the very first term, that is n equal to 1, term number 1. Hence, n is having a value of 1. That is u1. This is equal to 3 times 1 minus 2. That is 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. What is u2? u2 is n equal to 2. Therefore, 3 times 2 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. u3 will be 3 times 3 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. u4 will be equal to 3 times 4. That is 12 minus 2, which is equal to 10. And of course, this will be an infinite sequence whose first 4 terms we have generated. So they are 1, 4, 7, 10, and since it is an infinite sequence, dot, dot, dot. And in order for this sequence to be an arithmetic sequence, there should be a common difference. So let us check what is the difference between the first and the second terms. It is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Between the second and the third term, 7 minus 4, again a 3, and 10 minus 7 is also equal to 3. Hence, we see that there is a common difference between any two consecutive terms of this sequence. Therefore, we can say that this is an arithmetic sequence, right? So, we write our answer over here. We find there is a common difference of 3 between any two consecutive terms. Hence, this sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so this is our answer to the first subpart. Subpart B says, what is the largest term of the sequence that is smaller than 450? Which term is this? So, largest term, we do not know which term is it, so we have to take the general expression. We are considering that to be the nth term, and we will be taking 3n minus 2. Obviously, the n it will be the largest value of n, because we are seeing as the n value is increasing, the term value is also increasing. When n is equal to 1, the term value is 1. When n is equal to 2, the n has increased, so the term value is 4. The term value has also increased. Therefore, we have to find the largest value of n. The corresponding term value will be the largest term, which will be smaller than 450. So, we form the inequality 3n minus 2 is less than 450. Okay, and if we add 2 to both the sides, we get 3n is less than 452, or n is less than 452 over 3, which is equal to, now 3 times 150 is 450, therefore it is 150 and 2 is the remainder, so it is 2 over 3. N should be less than 150 and 2 over 3. And we know that n is a natural number, or n belongs to the set of positive integers. So what can be the largest value of n which will be less than 150 and 2/3? Definitely the largest value of n should be equal to 150. Okay. So this should be the term number, and what is the corresponding term value? It is U150 is equal to 3 times 150 minus 2. So 3 times 150 is 450 minus 2 is equal to 448, which is definitely less than 450. Okay. But is this the largest value in the sequence? Largest term in the sequence which is less than 450. Let us see what is the value, or what is the 150 first term of the sequence. It should be 3 times 151 minus 2. 3 times 151 is 453 minus 2 is equal to 451, which is greater than 450. We could have come to this 451 value by just adding 3 to the 448, because 3 is the common difference for this sequence, and we are having a term of this sequence as 448. Therefore, to generate the next term, we can just add 3 to 448 to get the next term, and it will be 451, which is definitely greater than 450. Therefore, the largest term which is less than 450 is 448. Let me write the answer on the left hand side. The largest term is 448. This is the answer for this part, and it is the 150th term. Okay. So we are done with the first question. Let us move on to the next question of this session. So the next question says, find k given the consecutive arithmetic sequence terms k square and k square plus 6. In this case, they are mentioning that they are arithmetic sequence terms. Okay. These are 3 consecutive arithmetic sequence terms. Therefore, there should be a common difference existing between them. What will be the common difference if we take the first two terms? K square minus K. This should be equal to D, the common difference, as well as if we take the next two terms, K square plus 6 minus K square is also equal to D. Let us name this equation as, or number this equation as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. And we can cancel these two and we are getting the numerical value of the common difference as 6. But right now we are interested in getting the numerical value of this variable K. Okay? But we are seeing, since the right hand sides of these two equations have the same value, that is the common difference of the sequence, therefore the left hand sides should also be the same. Hence we equate the left hand sides of the two equations. K square minus K is equal to 6, or K square minus K minus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We may factorize it using the middle term splitting method. I am factorizing it directly. It is K minus 3 and K plus 2. You may go for the detailed middle term splitting method, and I am damn sure that you all know how to factorize using middle term splitting method. Okay, so K is equal to either negative 2 or K is equal to 3, positive 3. We have got the two values of K, but we have to be sure that whether the values that we have found are indeed the correct values. Let us substitute the values of K that we have found in the three consecutive terms, and let us check whether after substitution we get an arithmetic sequence or not. Okay. So when K is equal to negative 2, what are the terms? The first term is K, that should be equal to negative 2. Second term is K square, negative 2 whole square is 4, and the third term is K square plus 6, that is 4 plus 6, which is equal to 10. Is there any common difference between these terms? 4 minus minus 2 is 6 and 10 minus 4 is 6. So the common difference is 6, and see over here we had found the numerical value of the common difference of the sequence to be equal to 6. So this is an arithmetic sequence, hence this value of K is valid. What about K equal to 3? The first term will be 3. Second is K square, that is 9, and the third one is K square plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. Again the common difference exists, and this is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, and 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. So this is also another arithmetic sequence. Of course you will be having more terms, but we are not interested in them. So the K values will be K is equal to negative 2 or K is equal to 3. So students, let us stop over here for today. We will be meeting very soon in our next video session. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please give this video a like in case you found it useful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I publish a new video. Okay? So bye for now.